Shalom Zanjan. Welcome to my 2050 square feet apartment in the heart of Bangalore. I am Meghali. I live here with my son Advait, and we've been here in this house for the last 7 years.
Hi, I'm Advait. Welcome to our home.
This home is a sanctuary of love, creativity, and God's grace. Our living room is the heart of our home, and we entertain our friends and family here very often. This place right here is one of my favorite corners. I got this couch from Urban Ladder. You'll mostly find me sitting here through the day. This tree that you see here is about 15 years old. It has ornaments that have been collected and gifted by my friends and family over the years. The tree is kept on an antique trunk, which doubles up as a storage space for all the ornaments after the festivities is over. Functionality is woven into every detail and every corner. Throughout the house, I have tried to balance functionality with aesthetics. Right here is not just a coffee table to hold our coffee mugs, but also a storage unit where I hoard all my cushion covers in my ever-changing landscape of design. This coffee table is from Fab India. These dual-purpose solutions make the space as practical as beautiful they are. With over 100 plus thriving plants, they constantly remind me of growth and prosperity. I have a schedule for taking care of them, like I feed them with seaweed water once a month, I give them cow manure once in 6 months, and every time they outgrow a pot, I repot them. Our dining room and the open kitchen area is the most vibrant part of the home. And this is where we make our memories. This is where we share our meals, stories at the end of the day, and just celebrate the joy of togetherness. This space is also the darkest space in the room. Hence, I have placed this mirror right here to just give an illusion of light as it reflects light from other spaces. Our kitchen, though compact, is a study in efficiency. These built-in appliances save a lot of counter space. I shifted the door of my bedroom to the other side of the wall, which gave us additional space to have a breakfast nook. It's perfect for conversations, especially when Advait comes home from school. I'm usually baking in the kitchen, and it's a great way for us to catch up. Having an open kitchen makes the space feel larger and provides more room for entertainment. This is our family room, where we escape to cozy up, binge watch movies on movie nights, or just read books, or just hang out together. This being our family room, right here on this wall is filled with our family pictures and meaningful scriptures, making it warm and keeping it very personal. This room is so personal to us and a perfect place for me to keep my grandfather's typewriter. He used to use this typewriter to write letters to us when we were children.
Welcome to the best room of our house, my room. This room reflects my love for organization and books.
The muted color palette of this room helps my son to focus and create a calm environment. As a child, he was fascinated by Lego, and hence his study table has been designed in the shape of Lego blocks. The guest bedroom here is the most serene room. The color palettes here are blue, grays, whites, keeping the place cozy and warm. My room is my sanctuary. It is here where I retreat after a long day to reflect, to meditate, to pray before I retire for the day. This room is styled very simply, in a very minimal manner, very different from the rest of the house. Our home is a sanctuary of love, faith, and belonging. It's where God's presence brings peace and life's joys and challenges are shared. For me, home reflects my journey, blending memories, traditions, and the warmth of family. Thank you, Zandan.
I hope you enjoyed our home tour. Merry Christmas!